In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Teams or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what each option does, so you can start conversations quickly and confidently. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in with your account. Once Teams is open, look at the menu bar on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several icons there, such as Activity, Teams, Calendar, and so on. For this video, we're going to focus on the chat area. Go ahead and click on the chat icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble. This takes you to the main chat view, where you can see all of your recent one-on-one and group conversations. On the left, you'll find a list of people and groups you've already been chatting with. On the right, you'll see the content of the conversation you currently have selected. Now that you're in the chat section, you're ready to start a brand new chat. Look toward the top of the chat panel. Just above your list of recent chats, you should see an icon near the Meet button. This icon is typically a small square with a pencil or a plus sign, and it represents New Chat. Click on this New Chat icon. As soon as you do, a new chat box will appear at the top of the screen. In the field labeled To, start typing the name, email address, or group of the person or people you want to chat with. Teams will suggest matching contacts as you type, and you can click on the correct one from the list. You can add multiple people here if you want to start a group chat instead of a one-on-one conversation. Once you have added your recipient or recipients, move down to the message box at the bottom of the screen. Type your message just like you would in any messaging app. You can format your text, add emojis, or attach files if needed. When you're ready, press enter or click the send icon to start the conversation. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on chat in the left menu and then using the new chat icon beside the meet button, you can quickly create new conversations anytime you need to